Alright, I have another one. Here's a PS5 that was sent in to me, and you try to turn it on, and boom, it dies right away. Let's take this thing apart. Man, this thing got damaged in shipping. Wow. This system is a little bit dirty here. Maybe that's what's caused. Alright, so I got the motherboard out here. Automatically, with my multimeter on continuity mode, I see a short on the secondary power. Put the multimeter on continuity mode here. Boom. It's shorted. This entire circuit right here is shorted. So let's inject some voltage. The more I look right by the coil, there is this set of capacitors here. Usually anything by a heavy coil might get damaged first, so I'm suspecting these guys. And yeah, we don't always have to inject voltage here under the microscope. It's very clear which chip is broken right there. Let's replace it. First, I like to get one from a donor board. I got the donor chip here. Chip removed, and the replacement has been installed. Let's clean. Well, guess what? The short is not gone. There's another chip that's messed up here. Now we have to inject some voltage. Let's do it. I'm suspecting the converter here. All right, well, I don't have multiple hands here, so I recorded what I saw. And yeah, if you inject the power right there, boom, that chip right there. Yep, and under the microscope, it's that capacitor right here, and you can see it's a little cracked on the side. Let's replace it. Alright, I replaced it over here. And with the multimeter here, we have good news. Alright, let's go put it together and test. Alright, I put enough of it just to test it here. Let's see. The power is on. It stays on. Nice. The tester is okay. Do we have anything on the screen here? I don't see anything on the screen. Yes! We got it! It's processing. Perfect! If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.